Welcome back, welcome back. This is the DMV Weave Doctor located in Bowie, Maryland. Today we just want to show you our crimped, um, this is I believe a 6x6 closure, pretty much almost like a mini frontal. And it goes from ear to ear. This is our transparent lace. And this is our chic couture hair. This hair is unprocessed. It has a medium to low luster. This hair can last anywhere from 2 to 3 years with proper usage and maintenance. And this hair is just gorgeous, isn't it? I love this hair. It is absolutely beautiful. It is coarse. It mimics African American hair. It's not very silky. There are a lot of the Brazilian hairs that's out on the market now. A lot of the hairs are very, very, very silky. And some of my clients call it baby doll hair. This is not baby doll hair at all. And another thing while we're here today, we would like to address some of the glueless units. The glueless units, I've been getting a lot of people who call my phone telling me that they want to get their glueless unit installed. And this is the truth about that. And I had one lady, she pretty much argued me down to the ground. And she was telling me, no, honey, I know that my wig is glueless because I bought it online. They told me. And the thing about it is that it's glueless depending on who is wearing it. And also, if it fits your head. A lot of these wigs that's being sold online, they are not custom made. Now, a lot of the custom made units I know that I create, they can be worn glueless. This is actually one of them. Some of them do put like a band, and you can also put a band if you purchase a full lace unit. Pretty much you convert a lot of wigs, but at the end of the day, it depends on your scalp and how thin your hair and edges are. So if you're suffering from a lot of alopecia, then it may be more trickier for you to do a completely glueless. And when I mean glueless, I mean no adhesive at all. Yes, there are many tricks out there. People are now believing that by you just, putting on your wig with the strap that you're good. However, a lot of people on YouTube and on Instagram, they do not inform you that you will have to continually keep applying mousse and doing your baby hairs nightly or daily every time that you put your unit on, unless you're just going to wear it apart down the middle and maybe all the edges covered. There are ways to cover the baby hair. And the other thing is that if you get your unit more plucked and customized, then you have to lay your edges more. If not, then you can wear the quote unquote Bowie, or a lot of people memes online saying that you got a werewolf wig on. You can do that if you would like. However, it does not look as natural, and it still does have that that indentation in the front where you can really see the line. And one thing that's new on the market now, the color of the lace is changing. So it's really good to buy based on your skin complexion. Me personally, with my skin complexion, I prefer transparent and HD. I have tried some of the brown lace, and I find a lot of times it's darker than my skin. It's more of a very dark brown, or it has a reddish tint. So, some of the undertones on the brown lace do not match regular brown skin women's face. So I would just prefer to just get a lighter lace and then use my makeup brush and a light powder foundation, or my favorite foundation that matches me, to go over with it very lightly to make it blend in more with my skin. Right now, we don't have any type of makeup, I think, on this one. The gel pretty much can do it. This is the HD. And that's what we just want to talk about. It's a lot of, propaganda and lies and things going on in the media concerning wigs and good hair, virgin hair. There are a lot of Chinese vendors who are selling units at a very low rate and making people believe that they have bought top quality and that, they have the same wig that I got on. Because, honey, I'm going to let you know right now, you don't, baby. This is raw hair. This hair actually, a lot of the hair wigs that you're purchasing online, they're between $100 and $200. Those units generally are synthetic mixed hairs, even if it says virgin, there is a rule where if there is, I believe a small percentage of 5 or 10% of human hair, that it can be categorized and labeled as human hair. So, it's just a lot of things that's out there. And some of the units that you buy online, once you curl it, it may not last as long as a wig like this, and it looks more silkier. But it just depends. Some women, they are comfortable wearing those units. They feel like they're getting something at a decent price. It's, within their budget. And, they're going to change their hair next month anyway. So they're not looking for a major investment. While other women who are looking for a long-term investment, custom units, and purchasing raw virgin hair to get your units made will always be a plus, as opposed to dealing with the synthetic fibers online. So that's all that we want to tell you. We wanted to break the lie, expose the lie of once you buy these wigs, you can just put it on and look cute like the girl on Instagram, baby. It is not happening. Okay? And, a lot of clients, they find out when they buy that wig, I think they got, there are many different lines that's out there. But, one in particular, they show everybody like, ooh, girl, look at me. I'm glueless. They're pulling it up and down. Girl, all you got to do is put a strap on your head. You're going to be good. And if you are suffering, like I said, if you suffer from alopecia, baby, if you walk outside and if it's a windy day, that wig is going to fly up off your head, okay? So, that generally works for women with the glueless one. They have the band. Sometimes they may have, they also have like these little wig pieces that you can put the straps that go underneath it, the wig grips. But those are here or there. They have a lot of fake ones out there, imposters online, that do not work as well. And so your head will fall off your head. So I always tell people, get educated. Yes, it's good to go online, but it's also good to consult with a wig maker or cosmetologist, who knows about the field, who understands hair and what you're getting into. So that's all that we will be talking about again today. If you're interested in finding more about our units, please schedule at mainattractionshair.com or at purevirginmain.com for ordering units. We thank you so much for your time. And also, if you buy some of our stock units, which are, on the lower end, like the lace front wigs that you may see online, but a little bit better quality, we can pre-customize them for you so that either you can take that on and off, or you can send them to your stylist pre-customized. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope that you have a great day. Bye.